But why is it that tiny seeds seem to be more powerful and more dense in terms of nutrition when you're talking in terms of their health benefits? We tend to neglect the tiny seeds a lot. And one of such seeds is the mustard seed. Mustard seed is an uncommon seed. It's one of the nutrient-dense seeds and is great for managing a host of ailments. We have the black mustard seed and the yellow mustard seed, as you can see in the image. And now, if you're wondering which are the category of people that will benefit from consuming mustard seed, they are those that are managing respiratory issues, those that are dealing with high bad cholesterol, the elderly adults who are dealing with degenerating ailments such as bone issues, arthritis, those who want to lose weight, those who are managing diabetes, those who are having digestive issues, especially chronic constipation, those who are dealing with high bad cholesterol, you want to reduce bad cholesterol. Mustard seed, particularly the yellow mustard seed, is one of the seeds you should be including in your diet. Mustard seed is also great if you are dealing with frequent attack bacterial infections, fungal infections, and all such issues. You need to start including mustard seed in your diet. And how do I consume it? You can just chew a few of the seeds. Some people mix it with honey, but it's great for diabetes, and it's not suggested that you should mix it with honey if you're managing diabetes. You need to, if you're trying to improve blood circulation, or you want to thin out your blood. I have actually used the black and yellow mustard seed at different occasions. And the yellow mustard seed was the one that showed more effect in terms of bad cholesterol. And so, but you need to be very cautious because of its blood thinning ability. Those who are on blood thinning medications must be careful with, especially those who are taking some of the blood thinners as a sort of high blood pressure to reduce stroke. The mustard seed is even a source of uncommon nutrients like B6, folic acid, which you need to help to balance those who are going through anxiety feelings, anxiety attacks. The black mustard seed, particularly for those who are having reduced urine, you want to increase the urine quantity, which is good for your kidney health. Sometimes if you notice that you have taken large quantity of water, like your water therapy, for instance, and you didn't urinate after 1 hour or 2, that's not good for you, and it's not good for your kidney. It's a sign that something is wrong, and you need to include start taking foods like mustard seed to help to support the kidney in filtering the urine. Occasionally, when you take water enough and it's expected that you should urinate after 1 hour or 2 hours, if you didn't go to urinate, that's not good enough. It's an obvious sign that the kidney may not be in very good or perfect condition. And there are herbs that will help you, and mustard seed is one of such. It's among the food that can help the liver to detox, support it, provide most of the nutrients without calorie, without cholesterol, without trans fats, without sugar. It's going to help that organ to begin to do its job. And if you are having diabetic symptoms, for instance, you can also start to chew it occasionally. That's how I take it, but not a regular feature in my diet, because too much of it could make you begin to lose weight. If you don't want to lose too much weight and you are chewing the mustard seed regularly, it won't be good for you. And even if you are taking blood thinner, or you are not even on a blood thinner, taking too much of it could begin to thin out your blood. If you feel you need to unclog your arteries, for instance, it's one of the seeds you should start to include moderately in your diet to help to open up the detox pathways, to help to unclog those arteries and allow the blood flow, proper blood circulation. you need to start to include it in moderation. If you're also experiencing respiratory issue, heart-related, you want to strengthen your heart. It has several other health benefits and is loaded with nutrients that are beneficial for fighting inflammations, all kinds of inflammatory conditions. You need to start to include it moderately in your diet. If you're having digestive issue, problem digesting your food, you can chew a few mustard seed. Just a few. Don't take it for granted. It's a very powerful seed to aid your digestion, to provide fiber for the food that is coming. It helps to kill off some of the pathogens that, support the progression or the onset of stomach ulcers too. And so if you want to boost your immunity, you need to reverse inflammation, you need to strengthen your immunity. Mustard seed is one of the seeds you should be consuming in moderation. Don't forget, food is our medicine, but moderation is our rule. Remember, raw foods are the best for you. And mustard seed is one of such foods that are uncooked. It's raw. And that's why it's very good for diabetes management and for reversing a host of other ailments. And if you love this message, why not hit the follow button for more?